Hey guys, this is Brian here. Got a new little tool I'd like to show you today. It comes in this little soft bag. It is an HD video camera, and it is one of the most simple objects of technology I've ever had to use. Essentially, it amounts to a couple buttons and pop it in the computer and it's good to go. So let me take a moment and describe to you how this works so that you guys may be able to use it in the classroom. Um, there are essentially two buttons. One side has a flip side, and the other side is the power. So we'll go ahead and power that on. By powering that on, it'll turn on the camera. The big red button here in the middle is both the start and the stop button. So again, about as easy as it gets. And so we can record some video by hitting that button, and it'll begin the recording process, and you can move the camera around and twist or move or whatever it is that you need to do. To stop the recording, you would just simply hit the red button again. And then there are a couple buttons that may be a little bit harder to see. There's a play button here on the side, and then a delete button here on the opposite side. And that allows you to move back and forth and choose between the videos here with this arrow buttons. We can play, there's two videos, and we can play back or delete the ones that we want. So I'm going to choose video 2 here and choose play. It'll begin the recording process, and you can move the camera around so we can play back and see what it is that we've actually recorded. Once we've actually done the recording, we may want to get this onto a computer so we can post it to a blog or make it a part of a project or something else that we're doing in the classroom. And to do that, we will use the flip button, which you just pull that down, and it pops up a little USB connector that allows you to connect this directly to your computer. You plug that into the USB port, it shows up with the files on the computer, and you can copy and paste those onto the machine and use them in a project, whether it be an iMovie on the Mac computer or Windows Movie Maker on the Windows computers. Essentially, these are light, they're very simple, a couple buttons, and so it makes it very easy to get this stuff into the hands of the students. An example that I've seen of such a project is teachers who actually use this for testing, and they're handing them to the students, and they're saying, go back and describe the planets in the solar system, and the student will take it back there, they'll record themselves describing it, and then the teacher views that video as a component of their test, and so they can show their level of knowledge. And there's so many other great ideas. I'd love to talk to you about those if you want some ideas. In short, snap that back down, wait for it to click, and that's back down. We've got the power button, the big red button for starting and stopping the video. Again, a great resource. We have a couple of these on campus right now. If they are in heavy use and we need more, then we'll see what we can do about getting more. You can check these out in the Media Center, so see Donna Jordan to check those out. And I think they're going to be great. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Have a great day.